they're both here. So it got worse. Why is this place different? Oh no. Take explosion to face. You are not eating me today. I am going down here and falling in nasty stuff. There's a shelter. Or there's pain. Or there's more pain. Oh no! Oh, I jumped back in. That was not planned. Oh no. Get up! I guess I'm going this way. Oh, bees. We can just stay here for a minute, right? Just stay in this one room, block off the exits. We'll be fine. It took so long to get up here. And there's more things. Oh. What is this? Oh, arenas, okay. I thought it said new item unlocked and it gave me nothing. Well done, you unlocked. Of course you've got to go the way I want to go. Why does it look like the industrial complex chimneys? But I can get food here. Never mind, it's useless. Where is all of this in the other campaigns? Oh no! Okay, that was close. Where is it now? Did I just completely avoid it? Oh, don't tell me this is that. It's this place. Nope, I can't get over there. How do I get to the shoreline then? No. Oh. Oh wait, there's a thing there, okay. There's still a way I haven't gone. Yeah, it's this room. Okay. Yes, I would very much like to leave now. Why did I use those words? Oh no, that's the... Don't touch water. It's not even water. It's more like stomach acid than water. Or just acid. Well, this is a bad idea. I made it! And this room looks exactly the same. Oh, I don't have enough food. I can get some the next cycle. This was probably a mistake. Oh no. The game has not been saved. Oh wow, I'm pale. Wait, what? I can't get through there. Where do I go then? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Can I still do the explodey thing? Yes. And I can do that. Well, there's not even any point going over there because I can't get through the gate. Is there a gate here that I can get through? Probably. No, I can't get through any of the gates here. What do I do? There's another one. Okay. Never go in there again. If I can't move the garbage wastes, that means there has to be something here. Can I try giving a pearl to a scavenger? Will that work? I'm out of ideas now. Time to go. Okay. Oh, a dead spider. I've been here before. Oh, this is the other exit. No way to get out from here? What does this thing even do? Wait, when I went in, it... Okay, it's doing the flash there. What do I do? Oh no. Okay. Oh my goodness, that thing's fast. How am I still alive? Oh, that was close. that's good. I don't want to have to do this again. So I won't. I want to at least be able to get out of the garbage wastes. Oh, I nearly got hit. Ow. Okay, somewhere new. Ow. Good thing there's nothing to lose from dying. Oh, great. Oh wait, this is a dead end. Keep forgetting what button to press. Why are there so many spiders? Where am I? I would like to go in there, but I don't have enough food. Where does this go? Oh, these things are aggressively trying to get me. Cyan lizard. No, it's just a blue one. Really? You see me drowning and that's what you do to me? What is this tower anyway? This is literally just the industrial complex at this point. That's literally all this new section is. I was pressing the button. And about 10 others as well. I guess that's why it didn't work. I don't know where I am, what I'm doing, or what I'm trying to do it. Oh, it's here. I have a rock to throw at you. Bird. Oh, it's this room. How did that thing hit me? I know how to spell. What do? You didn't even spell it right, and you're telling me how to spell things. That is a completely different campaign. What are you talking about? Okay, how was I supposed to know that? Ah! That was a weird scream. I am mentally confused. What? My brain has broken. That is how beyond braining I am. I just ran right past that. No. Oh, they're both here. Okay. Do you see that spear that just surfed across the ground? I thought this was Rainworld, not cheat game. I'm not even trying anymore. I've got to get more food now. I got more food. What? I'm assuming that's drowning, but it didn't even tell me I was drowning. Oh, I'm back here again. Ugh. Please take it, bird. I literally just walked past you. What are you doing? Really? Oh! I guess I'm down here now. Never mind, I don't like being down here. I'm going back to the not down here. Why did you go back to the down here? Oh, you... I don't care how many stupid deaths it takes, I'm doing this. I just blew myself up. Get in there. Okay, I'm getting up. There we go. I'm going. Why did you not do the thing again? I'm going a different way. How was I supposed to know how to get through those gates? Wrong button twice. What buttons am I pressing? I don't know. I saw a blue overseer. No. No, you do not. Cyan lizard, of course. Okay, I'm checking the map. Where's a way to go that doesn't hurt a lot? Always? I'll just go up, because that does seem like the easiest way. Oh, vulture. Okay. Oh great, there wasn't a thing up there. Perfect waste of time. Okay. Okay, I'm not about to die. I can breathe for a few seconds. Wait, what? Oh! Okay. If I hold this thing... Why didn't I see that sooner? Okay, I know what I need to do now. Whoa! Okay. A dream? What? Oh! Are they children? Oh, I can move. As this thing. Okay. Ooh, spit. Can I throw it at you? Oh. What happens if I go off this way? Wait, why is it going dark? Okay. Everything's fine. Nothing bad will ever happen. It's not like that eye looks any different from before. Or lack of eye.